Christine from Pack Hacker. In this video, we're taking a look at the Cotopaxi Cubo Expandable Packing Cube set, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. Let's dive in. So the set comes with 2 cubes. We've got a 6-liter and a 12-liter. And they do expand, so that's their capacity when it is expanded, but I have them compressed because that way you can, fit them more easily into your pack, right? No matter, both of them are made with the same materials. It's a recycled mesh. Not quite sure what it is, if it's polyester or nylon. It does feel a little rough, but it's also kind of see-through, so take that however you will. It definitely has more structure than I would say like nylon mesh would. But I'm really bad at telling the difference, and they don't really say. They just say it's recycled mesh. So that is that. Then they have webbing handles on the top, which does make them much easier to pick up and pull out of your backpack or your suitcase, which is good because otherwise, like especially this one, like it's kind of hard to get just one-handed pull it away because it is so big. Then we've got YKK zippers going around these, which we were really happy, obviously, to see YKK because the only thing that's ever going to fail on a packing cube, I guess unless this mesh rips, is going to be the zipper. And if a zipper breaks on a packing cube, it's pretty much useless. So definitely happy to see a zipper brand that we trust there. And I personally am also happy to see that the zippers are 2 different colors, whether it's this colorway or the black colorway, because I like knowing which one I'm supposed to be grabbing to open it and which one I'm supposed to be grabbing to expand or compress it. I've had other ones before that it really wasn't obvious, and I'd always be trying to open it with the compression zipper because I just had bad luck and grabbed the wrong zipper all the time. They do also have like color-coded zipper pulls, but I don't know if you can, they're both shades of orange, so it's kind of very close. So I just like that the zipper tracks themselves are different colors, which is really nice. There's also a little strip of ripstop here at the end of just the open and close zipper. And I like that because it's a little stronger than the mesh. So this way where it's like pulling really tightly when I have so much gear shoved in here, it's a little, I feel like a little bit sturdier just at that clamshell opening. It's neither here nor there. We do have the Cotopaxi tag here, and then the only thing I miss is some sort of identifier about which is which, because it's pretty obvious with them next to each other which one is which, but if you didn't have them next to each other, you might want to know whether it's the smaller or the larger. Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but that's the only thing I see missing. So if you are finding this video helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you content like this to help you travel smarter. Now it's time to go in. I'm going to open up the smaller one here because I've just got t-shirts in here, and so it's a little bit easier to show you, but they both look the same inside. So you open them up, and actually I should uncompress it before I open it up. And what you will see is that basically what's on the outside is on the inside. So it's the same, like there's no liner or anything. You can sort of see my hand through here. So it's just the same breathable mesh, but I like that because I've had packing cubes before that had liners, which gave them lots of nice structure, but then when you went to compress it, you basically lost an entire t-shirt's worth of space because of all that extra material that went in here, and you do not have that problem here. I was able to fit so much clothing into here. I think I've got, yes, 7 t-shirts in here, and I am women's size small. But they're not the tiniest t-shirts. Some of them are, just unisex size smalls. So you fit a lot in here. And then in the larger one, I fit so much stuff. I've got swimsuit and cover up and leggings and shorts and what else? Socks, capri pants, yeah, a sweatshirt. I've got a ton of stuff in here. That highlights my one small issue with it because, so I have like let's say 4 different categories of clothing in here. And so if you wanted to basically live out of your packing cubes and stay organized, this would be a little bit harder for me to do. But I tend to like unpack packing cubes when I get to a destination, and in which case, if you're just gonna unpack, it really doesn't matter what's where, as long as you can find it. You can kind of see through them a little bit to know where things are. If you are looking for this bright yellow dress, it's pretty obvious. But of course, because there's so much space inside, you wouldn't necessarily know that, oh yeah, there's my sweater that I put in there, you know? So that's something to keep in mind. I do want to point out that I have very much found the mesh has enough structure. See how it's like standing up here? It did make it really easy to pack and fill. And because it's not as slippery as I've I've used other packing cubes, like I think the Osprey, I can't remember the exact title of them, but there's some Osprey ones that are like super duper light, but they're also super duper slippery. So I find those harder to pack. I thought this was much easier to fill with a bunch of gear, which I really liked. And then it was still easy enough to compress. And I felt like I didn't have to leave like a ton of extra space inside just to be able to compress it. That mesh really is flexible and flexes around things. Of course, because I'm doing this with you watching, I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble, but that was more the way I shoved those t-shirts back in. But see, even with shoving the t-shirts back in without really paying attention, it packs down really nice. And so if you're looking for, I mean, this is basically like 1 carry-on's worth of clothing all in a smaller space than would fit in a carry-on. So I think that it will definitely free up some space in your, roller luggage or travel backpack for your shoes, your toiletry bag, whatever. It definitely holds your gear together better. Just keep in mind that you're really going to want to unpack once you get there, because otherwise you're gonna be rummaging through. I've got like 4 layers of clothing in here, so it will be a little harder to live out of than maybe some other packing cubes that function better as organizers. So there you have it, the Cotopaxi Cubo Expandable Packing Cube Set. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next one.